हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे इस YouTube चैनल में। माई सेल्फ पवन कुमावत, योर मैथ्स टीचर। यस, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्लास 12 सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स टॉपिक डिफरेंशिएशन। Today's topic is continuity. And what is continuity? First of all, we discuss about how we can explain that given function is continuous or not. For that, I take a function. It is given function fx. Yes, and if we want to calculate continuity at any given point, like it is x is equal to a, means we want to find continuity of this function at given point x is equal to a. I mean that we should find three values. Yes, three values which are RHL and LHL and at the point. Yes, beta. These are three conditions at which we should check of given function fx. Okay? Yes. What is the mean of RHL? What is the mean of LHL? Left hand limit from given point means RHL we vary from given point to right hand side, and for LHL we vary from given point to left hand side. Okay, so in RHL x is greater than a, and for LHL we should take x less than a. Yes, here h is the variation from given point x is equal to a. It means in this case x is equal to a plus h, and in this case x is equal to a minus h. Is that clear? So we have three values of x. This one, and this one. Okay, then we want to find the value of fx at these 3 points, like f a minus h, f a, and f a plus h, where h should be very minor, means limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, and if values of given function at these 3 points are equal, like this, then we can say given function is continuous at given point. So this is the process of checking continuity of any given function at any given point. Is that clear? Yes, I explained this topic with the example. Okay, yes. Question is two conditions for given function fx, and they are if x in between 0 to 1, then we should use this condition, and for x in between 1 and 2 we use this condition for fx and show that it is continuous function at x is equal to 1. Yes beta, if there is no given point for checking continuity, then check this case. And here x is equal to 1 only at one point. So we should check continuity at x is equal to 1. For checking the continuity, we should find three values like f, a minus h and f, a plus h. And in this question, here a is equal to 1. So we have to find the value of function at f1 minus h and f1 plus h. Is that clear? Now, first of all, at x is equal to 1. Yes, in which condition there is x is equal to 1? Here. So, we select condition is equal to fx. Means function fx is equal to 5x minus 4. Is that clear? And we calculate the value of function fx at the point. At the point means x is equal to 1. So we should put here x is equal to 1. Now f1 is equal to 5 minus 4, it will be 1. Similarly, we find for LHL function. First of all, select the function for LHL. Yes, for LHL, x is less than 1. In which case x is less than 1? Here also. So, we select this condition. Okay. Now, fx is equal to 5x minus 4. Now, limit h tends to 0 f. We put here in place of x 1 minus h with limit h tends to 0. 5 1 minus h minus 4. We solve the bracket. Limit h tends to 0. 5 minus 5h minus 4. Put the value of h will be 0. Then it is 1. Is that clear? It is at the point. It is LHL. Same for RHL function. L. That is the case of RHL here. 1 plus h. 1 plus h means x is greater than 1. In which condition? Here. X is greater than 1. So, select function fx is equal to 4x cube minus 3x. Yes, beta. Now, we put the value of x 1 plus h. Okay. With limit h tends to 0 f. 1 plus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 4 1 plus h cube minus 3 1 plus h. Is that clear? Now we can calculate it easily. So limit h tends to 0 it is 4. और डायरेक्ट अगर हम लोग इसमें h की वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं तो भी कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा क्योंकि इसमें कोई तब कैंसिल आउट नहीं हो रही वैल्यू. ओके. सो हियर वी कैन पुट h tends to 0 directly, then it is. So value of this also 1. Yes beta. fx is equal to 1. LHL is equal to 1 and RHL is equal to 1. Means these three conditions are equal, so that we can say given function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay? Yes, beta. Here limit h tends to 0 f1 minus h is equal to f1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f1 plus h. These three conditions are equal. That's why we can say this given function is continuous at x is equal to 1. यहाँ पे लिख देना है. Yes. Can we solve these types of question based on continuity? Yes. Yes बेटा. टाइम सेविंग के लिए मैंने इस क्वेश्चन का कुछ पार्ट सोल्व कर लिया पहले, है ना. कंडीशन वो की भी चलेगी, पैटर्न वो का वही रहेगा. आई एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन रैपिडली फॉर रिवीजन. Yes, but the question is discuss the continuity of function fx for this condition. Yes, we have to learn this special case. Here, not greater than and equal to, less than and equal to conditions. If there is condition x is not equal to, it means x may be greater than 3 and x may be less than 3. So, for this case, we select 3 points like f at the point fx is equal to 3, f 3 minus h means LHL, and f 3 plus h means RHL. Okay? Now, here x is equal to 3. So, first of all, we select this condition at the point. Okay? And for these conditions, x is 3 minus h and x is equal to 3 plus h. It is LHL, it is RHL. For both conditions, we should select this condition of function fx. Why? Because of x is not equal to 3 means x may be greater than 3 and x may be less than 3. So we should select for both cases this condition. Okay, I revise the whole process. Of all, at x is equal to 3, given function, we select the function. It is x is equal to 3. So we select condition of function. So fx is equal to 5. We put the value of x is 3. Then here no x term, so it is as it is 5. Okay. Now for RHL, we can solve any one of 3 conditions, LHL, RHL and at the point. In previous question, I take LHL first, and in this question I take at the point first. There is doesn't matter. Why? Because for RHL x is greater than 3. Here x is not equal to 3 means it may be greater than 3. So we select fx is equal to x square minus x minus 6 upon x minus 3. Now put the value of x 3 plus h, 3 plus h. Okay, here and here and here. Now 3 to 3 cancel out in denominator and we solve the bracket first. Yes, I told you in 11th class. Yes beta, in 11th class we have discussed about limits, and I told you that in limits calculate the brackets and after that put the value of given limit. Okay, so I solve the bracket as a plus b whole square, and it is, solve the bracket same, okay, then we calculate and it is equal to 5. Is that clear? Similarly, we can calculate LHL. For LHL, we should select function fx. Yes, which condition we select? Now I told you it is not equal to 3, means it may be less than 3. So we select this condition for LHL also. Yes, now limit h tends to 0 f. We put the value of x 3 minus h. Limit h tends to 0. It is 3 minus h square. 3 minus h minus 6 upon 3 minus h minus 3. Is that clear? Now, limit h tends to 0. It is 9 plus h square minus 6h minus 3 plus h minus 6 upon minus h. Now, these are cancelled. Okay. Limit h tends to 0. Here, if I take minus h common, then minus h plus 5 minus h. This to this cancel and put the value of h 0, then we get it is equal to 5. Here, limit h tends to 0, f 3 minus h, f3, limit h tends to 0, f 3 plus h are equal. So we can say this function is continuous at x is equal to 3. Is that clear? Can we solve these types of question